So good afternoon. Greetings to everybody, including to the candidate for the position of a judge of the Constitutional Court of Ukraine, Mr. Oleksandr Ivanovich Korovaiko, who serves as president of the Kherson Court of Appeal and has been allowed to participate in the competitive selection by the Council of Judges of Ukraine. Advisory group of experts scheduled the interview with the candidate. However, before we started this interview, the candidate informed ADE that he wants to announce his withdrawal from this process and wishes to explain his decision. Mr. Korovaiko, I will give you the floor that in the following maximum 5 minutes, you explain your decision to the advisory group of experts who sits today in full composition. So please, the floor is yours.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, dear members of advisory group of experts. Starting my participation in this selection procedure in February 2023 and then continuing the new modern process, my participation for the selection procedure for position of a judge of the Constitutional Court of Ukraine in October 2023. So for all this period, I was in a very complex dilemma. As for my participation and my staff of my team, with this team, after the occupation of Kherson region and city of Kherson, we passed all this path together and we started to restore justice and implementation of justice that was so difficult and so important in Kherson city and Kherson region. During that time, I thought that maybe some events can take place, something can improve in the region and in the city. The security situation will change, etc. But there is aggravation of the situation, constant shellings, constant explosions, complications and aggravations for the executing the rule of law of the courts, which activity is restored since the 12th June of 2023. I have big responsibility in front of my team, of my staff, that selected me as the head of Kherson Court of Appeal, and it's not right to leave my team without the head. That's why I address you with a statement. You know, I have thought a lot about this, my statement, and I have already participated and submitted my candidacy for the position of a judge of the Constitutional Court of Ukraine. But now I want to work with my staff. It will be correct. That's why, please, I ask you to address my statement with understanding. Thank you so much for this time, for my statement. And also, I have already submitted this statement about my withdrawal from the participation in the selection procedure for the position of a judge of the Constitutional Court of Ukraine. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Korovaiko. Thank you very much, Mr. Korovaiko, for your explanation. We deeply regret the situation in which you live and work. We understand your decision, and the advisory group of experts will, based on your statement of withdrawal from the competitive process, proceed according to methodology. So thank you. You are excused now.
Дякую. Ще можна два слова?
Can I add a couple of words?
Я ще хочу висловити слова щирої вдячності.
I also want to express my gratitude to all the staff of Kherson Judicial System, because these people work in a very difficult time in a very aggravated conditions. Thank you so much. Take care.